Choosing between a lawn mower and a brush cutter. A lawn mower and a brush cutter are both gardening tools used for cutting vegetation, but they serve different purposes and have distinct features. Here are the main differences between the two. Purpose and cutting ability. Lawn mower. A lawn mower is designed for cutting grass on lawns and other flat surfaces using a rotating blade, usually mounted horizontally, to achieve a clean and even cut on the grass at a set height. Lawn mowers are not suitable for cutting dense or woody vegetation. Brush cutter. A brush cutter, on the other hand, can tackle dense, tough, and overgrown vegetation, including tall grass, weeds, shrubs, and small trees. It features a more robust and powerful cutting mechanism, such as a metal blade or a nylon line, which is better suited for cutting through thick and woody plants. Cutting mechanism. Lawn mowers use a single or multiple rotating blades that move horizontally, cutting the grass at a fixed height. The cutting deck is often wider to cover more ground with each pass. Brush cutters can have various cutting attachments. Some use a circular metal blade with sharp teeth, while others use a high-strength nylon line or a combination of both. The choice of cutting attachment depends on the type and thickness of the vegetation being cut. Terrain and application. Lawn mowers are best suited for flat and open areas, such as lawns, parks, and sports fields, where the vegetation is mainly grass, not rough, uneven terrain or thick undergrowth. Uses of lawn mowers. Mowing lawns. The most common use of a lawn mower is to cut and maintain the grass on lawn, keeping the grass at a consistent and desired height, promoting healthy growth and an attractive appearance. Grass length control. Lawn mowers allow users to adjust the cutting height, giving them control over the length of the grass. Lawn aesthetics. Using a lawn mower regularly contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal of a property. A well-maintained lawn enhances the visual appeal of gardens, parks, residential properties, and public spaces. Weed control. Lawn mowers can help in controlling the growth of certain types of weeds. Regular mowing prevents weeds from going to seed and spreading, making it easier to keep the lawn weed-free. Mulching. Many lawn mowers are equipped with mulching capabilities. Mulching mowers finely chop the grass clippings and disperse them back onto the lawn, acting as a natural fertilizer and retaining moisture. Clippings collection. Lawn mowers with a grass collection bag or box gather the cut grass clippings, keeping the lawn tidy and preventing the accumulation of debris. Lawn striping. Some lawn mowers are designed to create patterns or stripes on the lawn during mowing. This adds a decorative touch and is commonly seen in sports fields or formal gardens. Maintaining sports fields. Lawn mowers are used on sports fields, such as soccer fields, baseball fields, and golf courses, to ensure a level and uniform playing surface. Public and commercial landscaping. Municipalities, commercial properties, and public spaces often utilize lawn mowers to maintain green areas and keep the surroundings neat and well-groomed. Residential landscaping. In residential settings, lawn mowers are used to maintain the front and back yards, creating enjoyable outdoor spaces for family and social activities. Brush cutters are more versatile and can handle rough, uneven, and sloping terrains where a lawn mower would be ineffective or unsafe. Uses of brush cutters. Clearing overgrown vegetation. Brush cutters are ideal for clearing areas with dense, overgrown vegetation, including tall grass, weeds, brambles, and bushes. Land clearing. When preparing land for construction or landscaping, brush cutters can efficiently clear large areas of unwanted vegetation, making it easier to work on the site. Maintaining fields and meadows. For maintaining larger fields, meadows, and pastures, brush cutters are essential tools. They help keep the grass and weeds in check, preventing them from becoming overgrown and unkempt. Trail and path maintenance. In rural areas or natural trails, brush cutters can be used to maintain paths and trails by cutting back encroaching vegetation and ensuring safe passage. Vegetation control along fences and walls. Brush cutters are handy for keeping vegetation under control along fences, walls, and other structures where traditional mowers may not be effective. Fire break creation. In areas prone to wildfires, creating fire breaks is essential for preventing the rapid spread of flames. Brush cutters can help clear a path by removing flammable vegetation and creating a barrier to slow down or stop the fire's progress. Invasive species management. Brush cutters are valuable tools in managing invasive plant species. They can cut back and control invasive plants, preventing them from spreading and outcompeting native vegetation. Garden and landscape edging. In landscaping projects, brush cutters can be used to create clean edges along garden beds and landscape borders, giving the area a neat and polished look. Forestry and woodland management. In forestry, brush cutters can be used for underbrush control and to clear vegetation around young trees to promote healthy growth. Safety considerations. Lawn mowers are generally considered safer for users since they are designed for cutting grass and have a housing that encloses the rotating blades, minimizing the risk of flying debris. Brush cutters, especially those with metal blades, pose a higher risk of throwing debris, rocks, and wood pieces while cutting through dense vegetation. As such, proper protective gear, such as safety goggles, gloves, and sturdy clothing, is essential when operating a brush cutter. In summary, a lawn mower is ideal for maintaining well-manicured lawns and grassy areas, while a brush cutter is more suitable for heavy-duty cutting in rough terrain and tackling dense vegetation. The choice between the two depends on the specific gardening or land clearing needs.